Now let's create the mouth of our emoji. To create the mouth, let's go to our toolbar and choose the ellipse tool. Then click in the artboard. Let me show you something. Like if you go to your toolbar, you'll find the rectangle shape here. So don't be confused, just right click on the rectangle shape and you will find the ellipse tool here with the shortcut L. Then click in your artboard and in the width put 28 pixels and in the height put 38 pixels. Then click OK. Let me zoom in. So use the selection tool. The fill is selected. The stroke is none. Now go to your swatches and give it the black color. With the selection tool, we will move that mouth shape and drag it here in the middle, like that. And in this way we've created our mouth. You can like adjust it a bit, like you can move it down using the arrow key, the down arrow key. I think we need to do that more. One time, do that another time. I think that looks just fine. See you in the next video.